How to add Snapchat filter to photos saved in gallery. So if you want to add Snapchat filter to your photos from gallery, now open the Snapchat app. Go to this gallery. Now go to camera roll. Scroll to down and go and search for the picture you want to add. So I'll just go ahead and search for a photo from my device. So for this video, I'll use this photo. After you select the photo like this, now tap on this little arrow. So now I have different pictures. You can go ahead and edit your photo. So now swipe your hand to left or right to see the filter section. So now here is the filter. Go and search for the filter you want to add. So after you add the filter you want to add to your photo like this one. So after you add the filter, if you want to send the picture, tap on this send button to your Snapchat. If you want to download the picture, tap on this as you can see now. Long press your hand on the export and scroll to left. Go to this export button. So now I save the picture to my phone gallery. That's it guys on how to add a Snapchat filter to photos saved in gallery. Please like and subscribe.